Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies. So you can see that market mostly stands in the same area that we have discussed last time. It was minor attempt to go higher, but was totally and immediately as rejected, and market returned that big down. So currently on the daily chart it remains some kind of flag consolidation. As you see, trend stands bearish. Yes, of course on the euro on Bitcoin might be formed some spikes, and actually some news might be released, special news for Bitcoin market and so on, that could trigger some reaction, maybe the ETF announcement or something of that sort. But all of them will be short term. It's just because, as we could see from the past, the fundamentals always return back the control over the markets. When the emotionals will lay down, this market returns back to the normal performance that is followed by the fundamentals. An example you could see just recently. So that was important news have been released. Now I am not remember exactly what this was, but right within the next two sessions you can see just collapse has happened. Currently we'll take a look at 10-year yield on the performance of the United States bonds and yields in general. It's very difficult to find some attractiveness in the Bitcoin market. Non-bearing asset, which investors will be start selling among the first, just to get the cash and plug the holes in the assets and from the devaluation of the bond positions. And with this background, if even gold are selling, stocks are selling by the investors, so it's very difficult to count that Bitcoin will go against all markets. That's why personally I treat this minor spikes or something, some deviations from our trading plan as a temporal factor, and I suggest that here is more chance to get downside collapse rather than sharp reversal in upward performance. So it means that on the lower time frames we still could keep the bearish context, just because, as you could see, what has happened in recent rally just has happened and immediately has been rejected. So as a result we've got bearish engulfing pattern, which actually has its own minor target, but in general we could consider it in the context of this ABCD pattern. Initially we were considering, if you remember this one, ABC top downside action, but since market created the new top and C point had been updated, so now we could consider only this one, ABC top, some D pattern. So we think that overall context remains bearish, and with the background that we have currently, we do not see any reasons for rally on the Bitcoin in the nearest time. On lower time frame, based on this engulfing, we could get another minor ABCD pattern and has target around 2580 approximately, and creates an agreement with this nearest standing level 2590. So that's probably will be the nearest downside destination point on the Bitcoin market.